Today we're gonna show you how to install a cove with Plastifloor 540H cove paste the right way. The Plastifloor 540H cove paste is a gel. It's delivered in 20 kJ buckets, and it's like a paste. You take out 2 kJs of 540H cove paste into a mixing bucket to get the right recipe for creating the cove paste mix. So 2 kJs of Plastifloor 540H cove paste put into a mixing bucket. After that, you measure the right hardener amount depending on the temperature on the side. On that side it was around 10 degrees Celsius, so the contractor used 40 milliliters of Plastifloor hardener 50W. You put it together with the cove paste into the mixing bucket and mix hardener and cove paste together for at least 1 minute, that the chemical reaction between the 540H cove paste and the hardener will start. Then you put the bucket on the scale again and measure the color quartz that you need to add to the already reactive 540H cove paste. We recommend color quartz size 0.4 to 2 millimeters. So it should be the same size that you use also for the coating later. And the larger sand is easier to trouble than the fine grade, but it's also working. Use 5 kJ of color quartz together with the 2 kJs of cove paste to create your cove mix. And when it's measured exactly, then you should mix the cove paste and the color quartz also for at least 1 minute to have all the material completely mixed up. And here you can see the already prepared cove area. We recommend to use the Plastifloor profile system that it's created from an aluminium angle that press the stainless steel cove profile against the wall. Behind there's a polyurethane glue to stick it exactly to the wall. And this system makes sense because it's not sticking the cove completely to the wall. It's still elastic, it's movable. Use a small trowel to put the material into the primed cove profile system, and then the cove trowel to smooth it. As primer for the metal, use 332 with 3 to 4% hardener. And then when the material is still wet, you can remove the tape, and you see you have a very nice sharp edge on the 332 membrane to the 540H cove. Let it cure for at least 1 hour, and you see it's rock hard. To get really a smooth cove, I recommend to seal the cove before you apply the 418 coating. One time with 526 sealer, and then install the self-leveling coating, broadcast it with the same color quartz, and seal it 2 times. If you have more questions, call me or check our website.